अक्षय तृतीया के अवसर पर एवरलाइट बाय सेनको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स ने अंधेरी मेट्रो स्टेशन पर अपना नया स्टोर लॉन्च किया। भारत भर में सेनको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स के 177वें स्टोर के उद्घाटन का जश्न। मुंबई 29 अप्रैल 2025। ज्वेलरी उद्योग में एक ऐतिहासिक पहल करते हुए सेनको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स ने एवरलाइट बाय सेनको के तहत मुंबई के व्यस्त अंधेरी मेट्रो स्टेशन पर अपना पहला मेट्रो स्टेशन स्टोर लॉन्च किया है। महज 200 वर्ग फुट में फैला ब्रांड का यह 177वां नया स्टोर सेनको की उत्कृष्ट कारीगरी और खूबसूरत ज्वेलरी को शहर भर के ग्राहकों के करीब लाने की दिशा में एक बड़ा कदम है। इस भव्य अवसर को और भी खास बनाने के लिए मशहूर अभिनेत्री और मिस वर्ल्ड 2017 मानुषी छिल्लर ने अंधेरी ईस्ट स्थित इस नए स्टोर का उद्घाटन किया। एवरलाइट बाय सेनको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स स्टोर में हल्के वजन वाले, आधुनिक और रोजमर्रा की जरूरतों के अनुरूप बनाए गए डिजाइनर ज्वेलरी का विस्तृत कलेक्शन प्रस्तुत किया गया है, जो हर अवसर के लिए एक आदर्श गंतव्य बनाता है। स्टोर लॉन्च पर सेनको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स की डायरेक्टर जोहिता सेन ने कहा, मुंबई हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है। हम बेहद उत्साहित हैं कि अब हम मुंबई के मेट्रो नेटवर्क के केंद्र में ग्राहकों को आधुनिक, हल्के और वर्सटाइल ज्वेलरी का अनुभव दे सकेंगे, वो भी बेहतरीन कारीगरी और स्टाइल के साथ। इस शुभ अवसर पर मानुषी छिल्लर की उपस्थिति ने इस जश्न को और खास बना दिया है।
Our chief guest, Ms. Manushi Chillar, our chief general manager, Mr. Dhaval Raja, for Senco Golds and Diamonds. We are now inaugurating our 117th store of Everlight by Senco Gold and Diamond. Everlight is a lightweight jewelry meant for working professionals. We have empowered our busy professional audience, especially women, to get groomed in the best possible way. Without any further delay, I would like Mr. Dhaval Raja to please felicitate our chief guest with a small token of respect.
And it abroad as well, we have store in Dubai. So with a smaller format जो हमने मेट्रो पे ओपन किया है, so it's a very collaboration and collaborative work with Reliance Metro, and we are very grateful to the entire team of Reliance that they have allowed us to have our store here, and it's a heartfelt thanks to the entire team for their efforts, because without their efforts and the collaboration that we had with them, it wouldn't have possible for us to open a store on the metro. And जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है, this is the only store across the country जहाँ पे ज्वेलरी है एक मेट्रो स्टेशन पे, and thankfully we are seeing a good traction also, that people have been coming to our store asking for their jewelry, looking at what our offerings are. So thank you to the entire Reliance team. It's my heartfelt thanks to you people out there, and I'm looking forward to have some more stores in collaboration with you. As far as Senco is concerned, we as I said that it's a legacy of over 80 years. हमारे स्टोर अक्रॉस इंडिया है। जो ये फॉर्मेट है एवरलाइट, इट्स अ लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी फॉर्मेट विच इज़ कैटरिंग टू द यंगर वुमेन, द ऑफिस गोअर्स और द यंग प्रोफेशनल्स who wants to wear a very sleek jewelry, fashion jewelry. So that's the offering that we have in the Everlight format, and we are happy to be here on at the metro station, and I believe that we will able to cater to the younger audience that we have targeted. Thank you so much, and thanks ma'am for being here and giving your gracious presence. It means a lot for us, taking out our time and coming in this busy area, which is little difficult to manage, but thanks all the way for coming.
Thank you so much also. I would now like our chief guest to share her observations with us. What does she think about her jewelry?
Good afternoon everyone. Firstly, thank you so much for such a lovely welcome with all the dhol and all the festivities. I felt so good to be received in this manner. Another funny thing is that मैं दिल्ली में बड़ी हुई हूँ और मैं स्कूल मेट्रो से जाती थी। मुंबई आने के बाद मैं कभी मेट्रो में मैंने कभी ट्रैवल किया नहीं है। आज स्टेशन के दर्शन हो गए। होपफुली नेक्स्ट टाइम विल बी सिटिंग ऑन दैट ट्रेन। बट टॉकिंग अबाउट what we're here for today, talking about Everlight, and जैसे धवल जी ने कहा that it's an extension of a legacy that has been trusted in our country for more than 80 years. For us Indians growing up, jewelry is so close to our hearts. We all grown up on memories, on traditions surrounding jewelry, whether they're about celebration, whether they're about legacy that's passed on from one generation to the other. So for us, jewelry holds a lot of emotional value. And आज की generation क्योंकि बहुत ही fast है, and we like things, we like variety, we like things that are convenient. So Everlight has brought that to us. They've made luxury more accessible for, especially for working women, to have access to have access to be able to express their sense of style every day by being able to try different things. And the fact that it's the first gold and diamonds store to be opened, I mean, not only in Mumbai Metro but in any metro station across the country, I think that's commendable because we're all living a busy life and it's always good to have access to shopping. So I'm really happy also. जिस दिन हमने ये inauguration किया है और ये event किया है वो भी बहुत special है हमारे लिए क्योंकि across the country, across different cultures, we have a special day called as Akshaya Tritiya. और इस मुहूर्त पे मेरे घर वाले हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ, there's always a token of jewelry that enters the house. So I think it's a great date that you've chosen. So please do visit the store. And I got a chance to look at all the lovely jewelry there. So hopefully you'll also really like, just like how I've absolutely loved what I saw.
Thank you so much. Now I'd like to call upon the team of Reliance who have really helped us to ensure the execution.
So this was a combined effort from our team, so we thought that let us get closer to the customers. How do we get very close to the customers? So we have a store on SC Road, Andheri. We do have a store at Borivali, Lokhandwala, Vashi. But there was an urge, that we wanted to be more closer to the customers. So this whole idea concepted by one of my team member, and he thought that let's be very closer to the market. Let's go where there is a high traffic, where people can see us. We wanted to be more accessible to them, and that's how this whole idea and the concept of being on a metro, which is a high traffic zone, and then we got in touch with Reliance people, and then overall it worked out.
I just want to have one more thing. After opening this store, if you get a good, possibly you should get a good positive footfall on this store, are you planning to go on different other metro stations also, and even not even in Mumbai but across other states?
Yeah, absolutely, why not? I feel see, it's more of reconnecting with the consumers. I don't see this as a numbers or as a business where we do good numbers or we don't do good numbers. It's more that we want to be connected to the consumers. We want people to see what Senco is all about, what our offerings are, what our designs are, what our collections are. So yes, of course, we can look at a few more multi-stations across the country. Thank you.
What is the one thing you like about Senco?
Well, I've also had the privilege of being present at their Gwalior store last year. And what I absolutely love, and that's not about Senco, that has to be about Everlight, is, like I said, I like the fact that it's making everything more accessible. Luxury is supposed to make things easier in life. It's not supposed to draw that line between what I want and whether I can get it or not. That to me is, comfort is true luxury, and the fact that I have a working mother, I'm a working woman myself, and I have these memories of whenever my mother would have time, she would take me to a jewelry store, and our mother and daughter, we would just do a lot of window shopping, and like any other normal Indian family, we would really plan before buying any piece of jewelry. And she, being a mother of two daughters, always thought that I'm going to pass this on to them. So she had the dilemma of always having to buy two sets of everything, just to make sure that both of us eventually, have whatever she would get, whether it was a pair of earrings, a ring, maybe like a small set. But I have those lovely memories, and to know that, well, you could be going to your work or you could be going to wherever you have to, and if you want to visit the store multiple times, it's going to be in your route, you get to see it, and at the same time you get the time to make up your mind before buying that piece of jewelry. So that is luxury, not having to take out special time and make that effort to go and seek something. It's right there. It's right there for you to be able to appreciate and buy if you want to. So that's what I love about the whole concept of Everlight being here at the Mumbai Metro Station.
Any other questions?
सर मिनिमम कलेक्शन तो बिकॉज ये गोल्ड है तो हम 5-6 हज़ार से शुरू करते हैं हमारी रेंज एंड एज गुड एज 1.5 लाख तक के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं स्टोर में तो इयरिंग्स है, बैंगल्स है, बड़े डेलिकेट नेकलेसेस है, पेंडेंट है, चेन है, तो सारी रेंज है. आई थिंक एक बार आप विजिट करिए, आई एम श्योर यू लाइक इट. इट्स मोर टूवर्ड्स स्लीक, मतलब जो बड़े स्लीक डिज़ाइंस होते हैं, फैशन डिज़ाइंस होते हैं, वो है.
Okay, I think that is it. Any other question? All right. As a vote of thanks, we really thank you, Ms. Manushi Chilur, for coming for
So I welcome you all to the store. Have some wine. Be there as a guest. Thank you so much for coming and gracing us with your presence. Thank you once again.
Right. So, the nearest other destinations where you could go and shop in this particular festive season, we have one store at SV Road, Senco Gold and Diamond. There's a store at Vashi, Senco Gold and Diamond again, and we have one store in Lokhandwala, which is Senco Gold and Diamond again. Thank you so much everyone once again for coming and making this event so successful. We wish you a very happy festive season ahead. Thank you everyone.